Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yes,
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, that's great.
And you
What's your name?
over there, you can see over there my name.
Oh, very good. Anna Rose. Is it Anna Rose?
Yes, Anna Rose.
Oh, very good. Fantastic name. Uh,
Yes,
so,
of course, like a rose.
so I followed you. Anna, please follow back me.
Okay, okay.
Right now, please follow back me. Okay. So what are you doing?
I'm just lying.
Oh, very good. Who are with you?
Neighbor. My neighbor.
Okay. How old are you? Rose?
I'm 25.
Oh, 25. Very good. Rose,
Yes.
have you completed your study?
No.
So what class are you in? Are you working?
No.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Oh, very good. So are you single?
Yes, of course.
Oh, very good. So do you love anybody?
No,
But
only parents.
but why? You are so cute, smart, sweet, beautiful. Why are you single?
Oh,
Rose, you are very funny, very interesting. A smiling face. Why are you laughing like that?
I don't know.
Be cool, cool. Please talk to me, okay? Cool.
Okay, okay.
So you are very beautiful. How many boys propose you already? How many boys propose you
What?
already?
No.
No boys.
Yes, no boys. Only friends. I have only friends.
So I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, Rose, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Oh, I know that name of country, but
Bangladesh beside India. Okay, Bangladesh beside India.
yeah,
What is it? You are sitting on what?
I'm lying.
Yeah.
Look,
What is it called?
duyan, duyan.
How many siblings?
Siblings. I have a lot of siblings.
What part of Philippines are you living?
Auntie.
Sir, do you like any kind of sports?
Sports.
Yeah.
I'm playing volleyball, basketball,
Okay, very good. Do you like dancing or singing?
singing. I'm just dancing. I don't know how
How to
to
sing?
sing
Oh, you
because
are you are
it is
fond
very
of
crack.
dancing. Rose, Rose,
Crack.
you are fond of dancing. Yeah, is it your home?
No, no.
So, where are
Ay,
you right
bata.
now?
Bawal. The construction site.
Why do you use this app?
Cause I'm so very bored.
So, what's your dream?
Hindi pwede ba? My dream is I have no dream.
Uh,
My dream I can build my own house for my mother.
oh, that's great. Very good. When will you go to married? You are
What?
unmarried? You are talking to me, you are talking Bangladeshi people, so how's your feeling right now?
It's okay. I speak English. I don't speak English a little bit, but I try my best to communicate you.
Okay, Rose, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Talk to you
you.
later. Have a very, very good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.